So, hi everyone, my name is 𝕑𝕤𝕥 and I am a student here in the 𝔸𝕑𝕤𝕥 Fashion University and I am pursuing diploma in fashion. And there we people were assigned with a study which was craft study, and then we searched for an academy
I am restricted, fixed above the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
There's so many things that I keep in my mind, like a past. There's a reason why all the emotions I built up inside you.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. From my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if it stays, we can get away with it. No, 'cause I'm feeling so